Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to VirtualZ's case study on installation of our PropelZ product. I'm James Hoadley, Director of Quality Assurance for VirtualZ. With me today from VirtualZ are Jeanne Glass, our CEO, and Vince Ray, our CTO. Our guest is Jerry Edgington, Senior Solutions and Innovation Consultant for Mainline Information Systems. Hi, Jerry, and welcome.
Thank you, James. It's good to be here.
Jerry, you recently installed our PropelZ product. Now let's go through the installation step by step. What, if anything, did you need to do to your system's environment or configuration to prepare for the installation?
Just basically had to create a ZFS for the product to be laid down on before you can start the installation.
Okay, what version of ZOS did you install PropelZ on?
ZOS 2.5.
2.5. And which version of Java do you have on your system?
We have Java 8 and Java 11.
Did you create a new file system for us, or did you have something you were able to use already?
I typically create a new ZFS for products to keep them set aside and separate, so you can copy them and move them as separate environments as well.
I see. Did you need to work with anyone else at your site, for instance, the security admin or your network team?
For our lab internally, we do everything. So we did the security, it's RACF and our shop. We did the RACF, I did the RACF work, and we also do the networking pieces. So it's all one-stop shopping for us because we're a small lab internally. But if you're doing it from a customer's point of view, more than likely have a security team and a ZOS networking team to work with as well.
I see. Were you able to use the product as soon as the installation was complete without an IPL or downtime?
Yes, it's a very straightforward install. You create the ZFS, upload it, unzip it, and it's ready to whirl. Or untar it, sorry, not unzip it.
So what's your overall assessment of the ease of installation for PropelZ?
If you know how to create a ZFS and untar it, it's pretty straightforward. So it doesn't take much time at all. I would say, a couple of hours to get the product laid down and installed, ready to go in a testing environment, yes.
Okay. Anything else we should know about PropelZ from the user's perspective?
The drivers and stuff, you may have to work with some of those, but it's pretty straightforward. There's not much to do with it.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us today, Jerry. We appreciate your feedback.
Thank you very much for having me.